I want to make a decree. Drink water before you... And it's Peter Funnyman news item right there. And number 2 today is what's going on today, which is Carnival. Carnival is at number 2. Why? Because Funnyman, according to most of my colleagues, friend them, is be a Batman, they are Carnival. Now, I want to repeat that for emphasis. Maybe repeat that so I was sure say who up on the live hear what I say. Say, what I say is what my friend them say. Is be a Batman, they are Carnival. But I want to put a caveat there because some of my friend them who have said that, they are Carnival too. So, no. Eh? One of my friend them tell me, say, yeah man, when me call, I do my live stream and call around and say, yo, I be a Batman, they are Carnival, I'm doing a poll here. I be a Batman, they are Carnival. My friend say, yeah man, 43% of man them they are Carnival and Batman. I don't know if I'm sure what 43% is, you know, say, out of 100 man, 43 of them are Batman, you know. According to my brethren Shane, you know. Shane Williams, if I call all name called public figure, I'm a selector and big pan TikTok. Shane Williams from Williams Field, St. Catherine. I know him own the field. I just tell the girl them get hype a while ago. Yeah. Him say 43% of the man them they are Carnival and Batman. But me know say him and film foreign a girl go. Film foreign a girl they already, you know, done preps up. A line up for 2 of them they are Carnival. So I don't know if him have a little thing for a little swing. But according to what most of my friends them say, the man them who gonna get on bad today is Batman them, most of them, and King Nyah is not gonna be there. I would not promote him Carnival as part of the Jamaican culture. Let us just say I wanna make a decree. Drink water before you make. I'm gonna make a decree here. We're on the number 2 news item before number 1. I count down from about 14. And we're counting down. We're there 2 now. We still reach a 1. But
Drink water and go bad.
a decree I wanna make is Carnival is not part of the Jamaican culture. I just want to make that clear. A decree from the king here, King Nyah, King of Jamaica, said don't follow bro God and film Batman clip. Remember when Bruce Golden said not in my cabinet? So, I am saying as the King of Jamaica, Carnival is a separate thing. Them do them thing. Cause dancehall we end dance. Cause you know dancehall do have no kind of them kind of thing there. Yeah? Boom bye bye. Yes? The Carnival do have the man who say boom bye bye film son come out and say him almost such a fit. Now that's different. You see that's how that's how we have in a dancehall. We don't have no Batman. We have man where almost was a Batman. Yeah, them man that we have. We have my like Akeem, that not Akeem the chronicler, which is him real name. Akeem, the man who there with I'm putting in quotations, Rosalie. Yeah, with Akeem then say was a Batman. I don't know how him is a Batman and just a go on like you know together. I don't know, but him is a dancehall culture man. You notice that you don't know for sure. Yeah, that's so the dancehall thing. I like when Shaggy that wearing midriff blouse over there. Remember Shaggy wearing midriff blouse over there and get all of views worldwide, international. Him a one England boy. And them thing that we do in a dancehall. We don't do the all out Batman thing. We only nearly. Like Buju Banton son. We only nearly was a Batman. So we keep that in a dancehall and say, alright, yeah, that kind of strange in a Jamaican culture, but yeah, our thing. So yeah, Jamaica, dancehall, yes. Jamaica, Carnival, yeah, that. Anyway, the uptown people, them, rich people, them have them thing, them thing, man. When them don't do the whole thing real. That's over there, yeah, a king.